time on an airplane. I told her I promised her this. She thought it wasn't gonna happen. That my baby makes the cut, and I went back. Right.
Harmony's dad and I are great friends, so he was quite confident that she would be in good hands flying with me. Mark gave this flight as a gift to Kim. She had never flown before at all, so she was really scared. This isn't my first time taking up passengers that have never flown before. I've done it lots of times, and the weather conditions were perfect for a smooth ride. I know that they were going to enjoy it. I did everything to get them relaxed and ready for the flight. We were going to have some fun.
We just a young fly, hell of shit. We just a young fly, hell of shit. Just a young fly. Take you on the flight, take her wherever she liking herself. Something ain't right. If ain't roll, fit me right. Let's throw a party, we ain't gon' fight. Covered and all that, I ain't got the Glock 40, no time to fight with you. Shout out to my real right. My neck goes on white or yellow. Everybody who don't like check 'em. Another 50,000 on the belt. Poppin' shit like a kettle. Poppin' shit, we don't know no better. Poppin' shit like champagne. Know we took the game to another level. Daydream in my sky dweller. It's either now or never. Right now I'm high as ever. One of the hottest ever. I'm just being modest, I'ma be the topic they talk about forever. When they ask about me, just make sure you tell them. Young fly, hell of shit. We just a young fly, hell of shit. Just a young fly.
We're gonna fly. this money for real. We tryna start, we tryna eat us a meal. It's for the people that said we wasn't gonna make it out.